ba chitenka so mutimo komoke bwekengese gya kabere kya amegelio igeskuru wose second term after nigo abayiboli baboligwe kubarenda abana babo na kubayikange mono ilyo kumanyamagani yabo anene ekerobaringa seskuru michano kebobwate nomo MCA we ward ya Bugusero imeye county ya Kisii constituency ya Kitutu Chache South ayani gakorekana chinga kyankoena na chicheki chichibasari tia masomo ase NSBU
Achi Masuri secondary Vincent Muracha Makori
Keno mheshimiwa Vincent Abunga nomo MCA we ward ya Bugusero tuachaka kwenda na chibasari kwa last week on Friday lakini rende njitile tibu kwenda on Friday I'm feeling like this wise itukuria rero ya Jumatatu abantu bandi wodi ya Bugusero baichiwe chichek exercise kyabere bya kurumambe and I want to thank abantu ba Bugusero boss asinga nchuko twara murende because ndora experience ndi kurumambe na nara chiwodi chini yonta ite ko ironi bagere ngira ndi bari baicha boss asubonge ngambi yamuno asinga nchuko chichek uko bari kwesinga once moko receive chichek kindly make sure mwachiro bage school mo receive a receipt wanted to say bari batanyore kende because ari boss by jurity mbasa boko abera because chi form chiarenge chinke nechibeza tokanyora power is only 5 million iganya tonyore tiraundi agonta ite gusabanga nyasawo konya erinde maybe next time nyasawo tokonya anya chibasa rikikaroro na inonyorenga kiti. But also I wanted to advise abantu babo sirona this is the last time tokwana na chibasa richiwo you kindly on title basabanga next time chibasa ri abantu banje nja kwera nabuka nabajumbe igongo sabanga mujumbe kwe isi ya Kitutu Chache South because konyora abantu babo Bugusero banare basa bona chibesa chiri konyora kwena naro sabanga chibesa cyo cyasenge njo muri ne tiasa national government document address bona kero mwana nyore basa ya siringiri gusiteri gusaba guseri 10 irinde chikabe gironya to bana nasero onta getenga niria bana unabona barese after mba niria maya abayibori morenda abana naende bange abana kubako ina from next week ko se after we make sure you are able to clear the school fees balance irinde bana mbaseri na